To understand how to use a zip tie, let's first take a minute to learn the parts of the zip tie. Pause this video to learn the names of each part of the zip tie. Now that we know the names of all the parts of the zip tie, let's put the zip tie together. Place the strap through the strap channel. Let's look closer. Take the tail, place it into the strap channel, then pull the strap, leaving a circle. Now that we know how a zip tie works, we're going to place it on a headband. Place the circle over the headband. Hold down tight on the head. Pull on the strap until the zip tie is tight. If needed, you can release the zip tie. Place a straight pin underneath the strap channel. Then pull with your other hand to release the strap. And that's how to use and release a zip tie.